You asked that question again, eh? Yeah.
Chinese.
Yeah, Chinese, right. We like your
Ang tanong ko
invitation.
sa inyo, kung kailan maging Maximo ang tao na maging Interpol. Ganun lang ang tanong. Simple. Kayo lahat, taga-Bangko. I respect you as my friend, as my race, Filipino, ano. Basta, ang tanong ko, kailan ang maging tao na magkakaroon ng amount na receive sa kanya, na magkakaroon ng ma-Interpol siya.
Yeah, you're right. Maybe we don't have that Interpol policy. We haven't heard of it. Interpol. No. The birthday boy is asking you. Yeah. This is the first time we heard about the Interpol. We don't tackle Interpol every day. We don't have Interpol. Yeah.
But I think
This is the first time we heard about Interpol policy.
no amount involved in that. As long as hindi ka nagbabayad, gano'n ka na.
Alam mo ba?
Kasama ka na sa
Kasi ang Pilipino, kung magkakaroon ka ng salary, no? Magkakaroon ka ng 8,000. Kung pilo niya sa bangko dito, labi na lokal, times 10 or times 20. Ako, kung magkakaroon, let's say example, times 10. Magkakaroon ako times 2 lang, times 2. Times 2. 10 times 2. 20,000.
Troy.
Kung pumunta ako ng Qatar, ban ako sa Qatar, ban ako sa UAE, okay lang, pumunta ako sa Qatar.